Welcome to another Sign Graphics informational video. This video is going to teach you how to measure your window so that you receive the proper size when ordering your new signgraphics.com window shade. The first thing we're going to do is become familiar with the window's mullions. There are two ways to install a window shade, and which one you choose can depend on how deep your mullion is or how square the window is. You can either install inside the mullion or outside the mullion, depending on what your window requires. Now let's go through how to install inside the mullion, as this is the most popular installation. An inside the mullion installation will be installed here, between the glass and the front of the window. Note, there must be at least 1 3/4 inches of flat mullion exposed for this type of installation to work. Using a measuring tape, measure the size of the window along the top where the shade will be installed. Be sure to measure the entire width from right to left and try to be as exact as possible. Write this number down and then measure the width again from the middle and then from the bottom of the window. We ask you to do this because sometimes the windows aren't perfectly square, and if your measurements are more than 1/4 of an inch different, then we suggest you use an outside the mullion installation. Once you are sure the window width is correct, measure the height of the window itself. Start at the top and measure all the way to the bottom. Write this number down as the height. Now that we've learned all the proper measurements for an inside the mullion installation, let's move on to the outside of the mullion installation. To measure for an outside the mullion installation, simply choose how far outside the mullion you would like your shade to be and measure from there to the other side and write this number down as your width. There's no need to take any more width measurements for this type of installation, so we can move on to the height measurement. Measure from top to bottom and write this number down as well. Once you have these measurements down, you're all finished. Now you can relay the measurements to your signgraphics.com sales representative, and your order can be expedited for faster service. Thanks for watching our informational video, and we look forward to seeing all the creative window shades that you're going to make.